Hello, I want to show you how to detect duplicate entries in your dataset, and it's very simple. In under 1 minute you can do it. Just go to conditional formatting, click on the drop down and click highlight cell rules, then over to duplicate values. So that's what you need to do, but before we do it, let's first select the cells that we want to. So we want these two columns, okay? So let's go back and do this. Highlight cell, then duplicate values. You can see we have duplicate values shown to us. If you want to change the duplicate values from red color to green, just click on this and you can change it to green, you see. And if you want to make a red border, so, and here we have Jennifer Okeke. We have it also here. We have Millie Bailey here, and we have it all here too. So if you're trying to clean your data, then you know you have duplicate entries for this, and you can remove it. And you can remove one of these Millie Bailey also to make sure you have clean data. That is about that. Another thing that I'll